How many rounds?
28 rounds.
How about 2 28-round pistols against one? Is it on full auto?
Do you want my pistol, honey? 28 rounds. They're going to spread because it's a cheap one, but...
I'm always ready. Wait, no cover! I thought we weren't calling hits.
No, we were calling hits.
You hit me like 6 times.
Okay, try
I
again.
thought it was full mags. He's not very clear on the rules.
But it's like misinterpretation of the rules. Last I didn't realise you could call hit.
I thought we're just going to out of empty mags. Are you wanting to go again, Hane?
I'll go again.
So what's the deal?
Okay, just running, try to kill each other.
Yeah, but are we
Calling hits.
calling hits?
Yeah, first one to 5 hits.
That's no fun. 5 hits.
Yeah.
That's another rule again.
First one to 5 hits, calling hits.
How many rounds you got?
Calling hits.
I just got it up there halfway.
Okay. Got one guard. What with? I don't need a stretch. I'm like Van Damme.
If he stretches anymore, his harness is going to pop.
Exactly. I'm like Captain Kirk then. Fat, wear a girdle. Yeah.
Go!
I'm out! Hit! Running behind people, hit!
Throw none of that on. Throw pie cones. Call that victory for myself.
You got me back of the neck when I was retreating, technically. Sisters on the other side by the pallet. Front of the pallet, Hane. Oh yeah, you got Hane. Hit! Take on your sister and your brother. Hit! Hit! 3 of them. All your siblings. Hit!
Hey, I'm hit. I just don't want to shoot you.
Oh, you're fixing a jam. You got one sister left. You okay?
Yeah.
Tagged.
Ari, are you cool? You with us now, babe?
You right? We've been flanked on it. There's someone over Matt's base, but I can't see them. Hit! Nice!
Team because you've hit the dad.
That's Andy. You sneaky. Right, I think, where are we going, Matt? Up, Andy? Were you just waiting for us to get big enough? Right. We taking on Matt's base? Oh, 6 of us, must be half of the players here. Nicely done, man. They're in the base, we see movement to the front of the base. See 2, they're running towards the side now. Coming out of the base, they're moving out. Oh, I'm out. No. I ran it, my gun jammed. I don't know where from though. Up top, in the tree.
Just guys at back here. They're all shooting each other at the same time. Chuck, where's Bankill? He's a middle. Luke, we're all on Luke. Where's Bankill? We're all on Luke's team. Yeah, Luke.
She's got a shot.
Back there though, behind her.
Yeah,
Is that your other sister or?
yeah.
Who's that? Just now.
Who's out there?
Who owns the drops now? Al. Who owns those drops?
So what we got? There's one more to get.
Game off!
Game off!
You want my helmet?
Yeah.
It'll be alright. It'll pop out.
Can you whistle while you run?
Yeah, optimization. Don't show your teeth. So where is he running to?
Just across.
Looking full auto. There will be tears by the end of this, I swear. You're gonna run pretty fast at the start, or all.
Aim for his legs.
Here's my friend. Go for his mouth. Don't smile. My battery's out. Run, piggy, run!
Well done. How many hits you reckon you took?
Too many. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear honey. Happy birthday to you and many more. Well, what's the damage?
Thanks, guys.
I don't see a lot of welts.
Yeah, my battery ran flat.
I ran out of gas on both guns.
Anytime. You've got the whole this half me wants to die. Never half me. It's turn around and run back. Your first half.
How many nipples you got now, honey?